Picture shelves are incredibly easy to make. Only take one wood project panel that I get at Lowe's that costs around $16 and sell faster than your grandma's famous apple pie at a county fair. Now I used a 4-foot piece of board. I cut one at 4.5, one at 4, and one at 2. All right, we're talking about picture frames here, so we are not dealing with a lot of weights. We are just going to use glue and brads and keep. So the 2-inch lip attaches to the 4-inch piece. The 4.5-inch piece will be the backer. Like so. There it is. I know. It just doesn't seem possible, but that really is it. Let's get it stained. So let's fill in our holes with wood putty, sand it, then get it stained. All right, we're using some carbon gray today. All right, a quick note on hanging it. You could just put screws in the back, but then you're gonna see the screws and that's not good. So you could get yourself a Forstner bit and you drill yourself a little Forstner hole. Then you put in the screw and then you put in a little bitty plug in the back to cover up that screw hole. I usually use the buttons. I didn't have any, but these are other little plugs you can use. For the screw hole, if you catch a stud, great. But most likely you're not, because you're not going to have it centered like that. Use a little screw-in drywall anchor like this. These are the ones I like to use because they're easy to put in. They just screw in. Use a level. Put in one side, use a level, get the other side in, and then you're good to go. All right, let's take a look at some of these sellers and these picture led shelves that they're selling. These are all from different sellers and they're all selling over 1,000. Now look at the time frame too. This was from 2018. But like I'm always telling you, this is just one item in your shop. If you've got all these items in your shop getting a couple of sales a month and you've got 50, 60, 70 items, you've got a full-time shop. Easy. All right, next up, almost 4,000 sales on this one. Guys, these are all the same design. There's at least 6, 7 sellers that I found, and I only dug for 5 minutes, so I'm guessing there's a bunch more. But every one that I saw had sales. At least 7 of them had sales in the over 1,000. Now here's our big winner with over 13,000 sales, and he's or she is doing something a little bit different. They are using hardwoods for this. Your choice of ash, oak, I think mahogany, a couple cherry I think is in there, and a couple of others. So they're also pricing it. They're a lot more than the other ones. You're using a much better looking species of wood. So if you caught my video from last week, shelving is one of the top selling woodworking projects online. Everyone needs shelving, everyone needs organization. and that's why. So yeah, a lot of competition, but a lot of demand. So it may not be the best selling thing in your shop, but it will definitely get you sales. And maybe, who knows, if you try to sell it local, you'll have even better luck. Whether you're selling it on Marketplace or at a local craft fair or something. Just another tool in your toolbox to make some side hustle cash. Thank you for watching. If you got some value, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We will see you on the next video.